one more cold start video. No E-fur chokes on. Overall, yeah, that's cold. Oh. She's close. And she's done with choke. She's going low throttle because I don't want this thing rubbing high. It's cold. I think it needs a little more throttle. These flat aids are a little stubborn at times, but they're good. Or not. Maybe back to nothing and rev her up. Go back to choke. Ow. Sorry, cough. Sorry about that cough, but cold. This makes my throat do weird stuff. Does not work. It's pretty good. That starts up that good for being in a flathead. Friggin', that's Tecumseh, so the carburetors ain't the best, but this carburetor, friggin', I think whoever stored it before stored it right. It's a good motor. Friggin' starts right up. And bonus, Honda cold start. See, the Honda starts a lot easier because it's an electric start, but you can't beat the friggin' 4 tracks.